Yeah, look at how easy this thing swivels. Like, I'm not yanking on the hose at all. It just turns with you 180 degrees, of course. So, yeah, really stinking sweet. I'm pretty excited about this one. Where is it? It's a stinking air hose reel. 80 foot on a swivel. This thing was super easy to set up. It's got a mounting bracket here. They give you some pretty gnarly hardware to mount it with. And then they give you a little thing so you can like see where you need to drill your holes. And it's got an adhesive back on it, so pretty thoughtful. Anyway, the leader hose for this, or the leader hosen, is really about 6 feet long. So hooks all the way up into my thingamadoo here. So about 6 feet long, which is plenty long. The hose inside it itself, about 80 feet. So if you need more than 80 feet of hose in just your garage or whatever, you must have a really nice big garage. You can probably afford to have a second air tank. Anyway, so pull it out, it stays, give it a gentle tug, it pulls itself back in. It's super easy. Every shop should have this, because otherwise you end up with this mess right here, which I've been having for years, and I hate this mess. Look at this. Look how clean and nice and easy this is. You can just push it away. It's out of your way. It's up in the air. You'd ideally mount that to like a 4x4, I think, but it's fine. And you could, it has a handle on the top somewhere. There it is. You could pull this off of here and carry it somewhere too. I don't see why you would, but you might be able to. But yeah, 300 PSI, which is more than enough. Doesn't look too terrible. You can adjust where the stop is. So you can unscrew this, make the hose a little longer. So if you wanted to mount this from the roof, which would be really cool, you could have that hose hanging down, just have that stop farther up the hose. So yeah, what a cool hose reel. Price wasn't too bad too. It's the kind of money you'd expect to pay for just the hose. You will need to supply your own quick connects if you use the quick connects, but yeah, it looks pretty great and really nice for when you got to get air from here to out there somewhere. 80 feet long. That's so awesome.